Hello students, the next problem is find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A of 2, -2 and B of -7, 4. Okay, here what is trisection? Trisection means points dividing the line in 3 equal parts. See here, this is the line AB. Here P and Q are the points. These points divide the line in 3 equal parts. Okay, so this is the one, this is the one, this is also one. So now we have to find out coordinate of this point P and Q. You should remember that here we have to find out the coordinates of the P and Q. Here P and Q is divide the line in 3 equal parts. Its ratio becomes 1, 1, 1. Okay, so that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QP. Now consider the P divides the line AB in the ratio 1:2. So see here, this is the line AB. Okay, so here the point P is divides the line in the ratio, this is 1. The complete length of this PB is 2. Okay, or its ratio, we can say that ratio. Okay, P divides the line in the ratio 1:2 because see here, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, now we have to find out coordinates of point P. So we know that section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Here A is 2, -2, B is -7, 4. Here x1 is 2, y1 is -2, x2 is -7, y2 is 4. So substituting the values of x1, x2, m1, m2 and y1, y2. So here m1 is 1, x2 is -7 plus m2 is 2, x1 is 2 divided by m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 2. And m1 is 1, y2 is 4 plus 2 into y1 is -2 divided by 1 plus 2. So minus into plus is -7, 7 into 1 is 7 plus 2 into 2 4 divided by 1 plus 2 is 3 and here 4 into 1 is 4 plus, see here this is plus into minus is minus, 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 by 3 is always 0 and minus 3 by 3 is -1. So coordinates of the point P is -1, 0. Now take the another point, that is Q. Okay, so this is the line AB. Here the point Q is, okay, this Q divides the line segment in 2 parts in the ratio 2:1 because this here P is there, we know that. Okay, so this is 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the whole ratio is +2 and this is 1. Okay, now we have to find out the coordinates of Q. So Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. The coordinates of the Q are, so similarly using the section formula, so we just applying the values of m1, m2 and x1, x2 and y1, y2 and we calculate, we get -4, 2. Okay, so therefore the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the A and B are, one is -1, 0, another one is -4, 2. Okay, so calculate this one. Okay, next problem is, if the points A of 6, 1, B of 8, 2, C of 9, 4 and D of P, 3 or vertices of a parallelogram taken in the order, find the value of P. So okay, so here we have to find out the value of P. So see here, this is the parallelogram. So in the parallelogram, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So these are the two diagonals. So these two diagonals are intersect at one point, and these diagonals are bisect each other. Bisect means it will divide the line in two equal parts. Okay, so if you taken the AC is a line, that means it is also a diagonal. So this will divide this line into two parts in equal ratios. This is also one, this is also one. Similarly, if you taken the BD is a line, so this will here also a this point will divides this line in equal parts in the ratio 1:1. Okay, so that we have to find out the coordinates of this midpoint. So this point is a midpoint to both the line, here AC and BD, or both the diagonals AC and BD. So first we have to consider coordinates of midpoint of AC is equal to coordinates of the midpoint of BD. See here, this is AC, this is BD. So we have to find out coordinates of this midpoint. So here the A becomes, the A value is 6, 1 and C value is 9, 4. Here this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. We know the section formula, substituting the values. Okay, we know that ratio is also 1:1. So m1 is to m2 is 1:1. Okay, so that see here m1 is 1, x2 is 9. Okay, plus m2 is 1, x1 is 6 divided by 1 plus 1, and similarly 1 into 4 plus 1 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So 9 plus 6 divided by 2, 4 plus 1 divided by 2. So 9 plus 6 is 15 by 2, 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. Okay, now consider this one. So here also B value is 8, 2 and D value is P, 3. So m1 is to m2 is also 1:1. So using section formula now, so 1 into P is P plus 1 into 8 is 8 divided by 2, and 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 2 is 2. So P plus 8 divided by 2, 3 plus 5 is 5 by 2. Okay, now in the last video I told you if the x comma y is equal to a comma b, now we equate x equal to a, y equal to b. Similarly, now we equate 15 by 2 is equal to p plus by 8, 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2, 8. So consider 15 by 2 is equal to p plus 8 by 2. Okay, in the denominator 2, here also 2 cancelled out. We get 15 is equal to p plus 8. So shift 8 towards this side. 15 by 8 is equal to p. So we get p is equal to 7.